Hey, welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. What I want to talk to you today about is root-bound plants. Do you know the definition of a root-bound plant? I think there's a lot of confusion on this. I today still have the plants under lights on June 20th. It is raining outside. We are getting rain about every other day. And in between, not much sunshine. Not a great growing year here in Michigan, 2019. But I was a little concerned. I wanted to get my plants, as you can see, look at that long gourd. That long gourd is getting quite large. But hey, if I pick up the plant, I've removed the bottom. And if I pick up the plant and look at the bottom to see if it's root bound, it is not root bound. Okay, the roots are coming out in hairs. I just watered it good, but they're not circling. They're not circling the container. So I'm still okay. I'm going to shoot for getting my 143 Vanderweilen in the ground tomorrow on the newly built trellis that is filled with 1.5 yards of veggie dew. Stay tuned. Bubba will grow his long gourd in 1.5 yards grow bag. It's going to be cool. I'm very excited about it, and we'll see how we do this year. But here's a tomato plant. All right, and I think some people are under the misconception that if the roots touch the outside of the container, that's root bound. No, it's not. Root bound is when you get to the bottom and you see the roots that are circling each other, and they start doing a constant circle, typically the ones that you buy in the store in really small containers. But this is not root bound. This has got some nice healthy roots. It's been inoculated with mycorrhiza, and this plant, I'm looking forward to get it in the ground. Nice plant, the 7.7 mentine that was grown from the state record, Michigan state record, 6.23 pound tomato from Chris Kanensky's. Nice looking plant. Can't wait to stick this in the ground. Stay tuned for that video. I'll link this video to another video. Subscribe to my channel, comment. When we plant it, we're going to bury it right up to here so that all this base will root. Tomatoes can be buried very deeply so they root better. So we have the same thing here. This tomato plant is not root bound. That is not root bound. Root bound is when they circle the bottom. So there you have it. Now you know. We're going to plant these 2 tomatoes. Stay tuned for my future videos and see if this little seedling that was just started a little over a week ago will catch up. It'll make like a giant tomato and catch up to the others. All right? So there you go. Keep them in your garden tub. Keep a fan going. It's always good to have a fan in your grow room because flowing air encourages growth. All right, and the sticks, if you wonder what the sticks are, when they're set outside to acclimate daily, these sticks prevent the wind from snapping the plants off. It gives them a little bit of a strength. And also, my tomatoes were a little bit leggy, so I tied them off to a stick to help beefing up the stalks. All right, man, join us. Don't forget, subscribe, share the video, and comment, and you could be our next winner for a free 6-pack of Mark's Mixes, man. Talk to you soon. Keep them growing. We're hoping Rain-mageddon will end soon here in Michigan. Talk to you later.